Christmas is coming soon, so I thought it would be nice to make a cute gift box like this. Hope you have fun making it, thinking of all the nice things Christmas reminds you of. Let's start by adding a cube. Press Ctrl and move it up to snap to grid. Go into edit mode, press Ctrl R and move the loop up to where you want the cover to sit. Press 3 to select these faces and Alt E to extrude faces along normals. Press S for even thickness. I'm gonna add another loop cut in the middle and press P to separate selection. We don't need the loop cut in the box anymore, so select the loop and press Ctrl X to dissolve it. Go to object mode to select the edge loop we separated and go back to edit mode. Let's scale it a little and move these verts down. Select all except where the lid starts and press Shift Ctrl B to bevel verts. Select the verts we didn't bevel and Shift Ctrl B again. Use your mouse wheel for number of verts. Select all and Shift D to duplicate. Rotate 90 degrees in the Z-axis. Convert it to curve in object mode. I have Convert to Curve in my quick favorites, but if you don't, it's under the Object menu. Let's add a rectangle from the Curve menu. We're going to use this rectangle as the bevel object for our converted curve. Scale the rectangle until you think is right for the ribbon tie. Add a subsurf to the tie and shade smooth. Let's add a path from the curve menu and move it up. We'll move it to the right in edit mode for the origin point. Move and position control points to shape the ribbon. You can right-click to subdivide for more control points. When you're done tweaking, select the rectangle curve again as the bevel object. Add a subsurf and shade smooth like before, and press Alt S to scale control points. You can shape it any way you want. Play with it until you're satisfied. I'm gonna change the pivot point to 3D cursor and rotate in edit mode. Shift D to duplicate and press R, then Z to rotate in the Z-axis. Press Shift R 2 times to replicate the process. Let's quickly apply rotation for all three. Change the pivot point to median again and add a UV sphere. Move it up. Scale it in edit mode. Then position it. Right-click to shade smooth. Time to add another path for the smaller ribbon. Press Alt-Z for X-ray mode and place control points where necessary to shape your ribbon. You can extrude for more control points. Tweak it away and make sure it doesn't intersect with other meshes. Increase bevel depth and shade smooth. I'm gonna add a plane to make a ribbon end. Let's scale and add a loop cut down the middle. Move this vert in the Y-axis. Ctrl B to bevel this edge and add 4 loop cuts. Select all and extrude. Add a subsurf, then select all in edit mode and scale in the Z-axis. Select the middle face loop and move it up. I'm gonna redo that with proportional editing on. Scale as needed in X-ray mode. It's time to place it. Rotate and scale until you're happy with its position. Change the pivot point again to duplicate and rotate the ribbon end. tweak the smaller ribbon for it to lie better. We now have to just add a bevel modifier to finish up. Did you enjoy making the gift box? Try different size and color and have fun with it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to support my channel.